Hi, my name is Shaili. I'm the Customer Success Manager for our customers across Microsoft Asia. Some of the features that I'm truly excited about Microsoft Teams is the ability of sharing context across meeting before, during, and after it happens. No longer organizers and participants in the meeting have to scramble through emails to figure out what this meeting is all about. Whiteboard and screen sharing is another great feature of Microsoft Teams where every participant gets the same experience of whatever is being shared during the meeting. And the beauty of that is that whiteboard lives even after the meeting ends. It no longer gets erased. Raise hands is a feature that I truly love, especially for someone who is a bit of an introvert who wants to make valuable contribution. Simply raise a hand and get the turn to speak and make that contribution that you have to make. Now, if you want to learn more, sign up for Rediscover Microsoft Teams series that's coming up soon.